On September 11, 2001, the United States experienced coordinated attacks that caused widespread loss of life and became a defining moment in modern history. The events led to a global effort to prevent similar acts and marked the beginning of extensive security and intelligence operations. In response, the US launched military and intelligence campaigns aimed at locating those responsible. Osama bin Laden, leader of a well-known organization, was identified as the key figure behind the planning and execution of the attacks. Over the following years, various strategies were employed to track his whereabouts. By 2011, intelligence efforts produced a strong lead, prompting a targeted operation carried out by US forces in Pakistan. The mission resulted in bin Laden's death. President Obama addressed the nation to confirm the outcome and explain the background of the operation to the public.
Tonight, I can report to the American people and to the world that the United States has conducted an operation that killed Osama bin Laden, the leader of Al-Qaeda, and a terrorist who's responsible for the murder of thousands of innocent men, women, and children. It was nearly 10 years ago that a bright September day was darkened by the worst attack on the American people in our history. The images of 9/11 are seared into our national memory. Hijacked planes cutting through a cloudless September sky, the Twin Towers collapsing to the ground, black smoke billowing up from the Pentagon, the wreckage of Flight 93 in Shanksville, Pennsylvania, where the actions of heroic citizens saved even more heartbreak and destruction. And yet we know that the worst images are those that were unseen to the world. The empty seat at the dinner table, children who were forced to grow up without their mother or their father, parents who would never know the feeling of their child's embrace, nearly 3,000 citizens taken from us, leaving a gaping hole in our hearts. On September 11th, 2001, in our time of grief, the American people came together. We offered our neighbors a hand, and we offered the wounded our blood. We reaffirmed our ties to each other and our love of community and country. On that day, no matter where we came from, what God we prayed to, or what race or ethnicity we were united as one American family. We were also united in our resolve to protect our nation and to bring those who committed this vicious attack to justice.
Following the announcement, many countries reinforced their security measures and updated their counter-terrorism strategies. The event marked a symbolic milestone, leading to increased global cooperation in intelligence sharing and operational coordination. While the development impacted certain networks, it did not eliminate the broader challenge. New groups emerged in different regions, often operating independently and using evolving tactics. Digital platforms began playing a larger role in recruitment and messaging. Over time, efforts shifted toward addressing the root causes of radicalization and improving resilience within communities. Governments continue to adapt their approaches, focusing on both prevention and response. The global landscape remains complex, but ongoing collaboration plays a key role in maintaining stability.